Hi, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and today we are going to make something nice. Something that I love, is my favorite. It's one of those rich tasting dish. It's curry chicken wing with potato, but Caribbean style. As you can see, it's right here in front of us. It's so beautiful. I mean, in the Caribbean, we cook it with a lot of spices, and it turns out very spicy also. But if you don't like the spice, you can leave the spice out at all times. So let's see how this is done. As you can see, we have some chicken wing as well as vegetable and some seasoning. So we simply add our seasoning to our chicken and let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes before we move on to cooking. So once we season our chicken with everything, we just give it a good mix and we can set it aside for later use. Now for the cooking, once the vegetable is ready and is chopped, we can move on to cooking. So first we cut our potato into a good sized chunk, because once it cooks, some of it will start to soften up and disappear into the sauce. So therefore we need to cut them in a bigger size portion. So at the end we will have some potato to taste. So after we cut our potato, then we can move on to our onion and finally our carrot. For our onion, we just simply dice it into small chunks because we want it for flavor and texture more than eating it. So it will be all incorporated into our sauce and dish. And finally, we chop our carrot into good 1-inch chunks, and then we can just stir fry everything or mix everything in with our curry to make this beautiful dish. So now let's see. So our vegetable is cut. Now let's move on to the cooking. Now the cooking, we simply heat a pot. We pour some coconut oil. So we don't need coconut milk in this, so I use coconut oil. I put a handsome amount because we need to stir fry or mix in a lot of vegetables. So we add our onion and garlic to it first, mix it up well. Then we can add our thyme and chicken seasoning. Mix it all well until it's browning. Then we can add 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. Now this curry powder is a nice rich flavor. It contains a lot of other ingredients. Now we mix it all in. It will start to dry up and start to give out this nice smoky flavor. Once that is smelled, you can add the chicken in with the potato and mix everything up thoroughly. And we can add 3 cups of water to allow it to simmer. So once it's simmering, we cook it for about half an hour until everything is softened, and we check for flavor. If you need to adjust it, you can always add more salt or more sugar to balance the spiciness. But for this, as is, it's perfect. I don't need to adjust any more ingredients in this. Just allow it to cook down for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Then we're ready to plate. So here we are. Our curry chicken is ready. Look how beautiful this looks. Now let's give it a try. We have our carrot. We have our potato. This is all in our sauce. This is so nice. And the chicken, I can see it's softened up nicely because it's falling off the bone already. Now let's give this a try. The chicken softened up nicely, absorbed the flavor of all the seasoning. The potato is like mashed potato. It's soft and fluffy and floury, very nice. And our carrot. Our carrot still holds together nicely. Has a nice texture, nice bite. This is just amazing. Now if you like this really spicy, you can always add some jalapeno or some chili pepper to this and make it a lot spicier. But I think for my family and myself, this one is sufficient. Wow. Very nice. Very smooth. And because we added 3 cups of water, there's a lot of sauce in this dish. You can pour it over your rice. If you have it with bread, you can dip your toasted bread in it and enjoy it. For me, I think I will have it with bread. I love my toasted bread with something like this, a curry, or even some roti prata will do also very well with this dish. And if you don't like bread, no worries. Pour it over your rice, enjoy it. And you can have this for 2 days or 3 days, but I think this will finish tonight. Very, very nice. Let's try another piece of chicken. Cannot stop eating this. Wow. It falls off the bone. Okay. Thank you for watching again. And remember to subscribe. Hit our logo button above to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, make sure you hit the bell button in our channel page so you can be notified when our new videos are uploaded. So make sure you comment below and let us know what you think of this dish, and if you've tried anything or you like us to try anything, also you can let us know in the comment below. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye now.